They're they're saying shit like, "Teach me about minor third chords, Daddy."
To you?
Yeah, they're like writing, and I don't know.
Daddy?
They're like, but
are you Daddy?
No, they're all the whole gag on TikTok about me is that they're like, because I'm a nerd and I just make like, you know how to make like, you know, I like little beat, make a little beat or something, and everyone's like, "Oh, how many notes, how many sharps are in an A major scale, Daddy?"
Since when they start calling
I don't
you
know.
Daddy?
It's like this fucking thing.
You're uncle.
I am uncle.
You're not Daddy.
No, but they're like sexualizing my music theory knowledge.
That's pretty
It's pretty. I don't know.
pretty funny.
It's pretty funny. I don't know how to. I don't know how to comment.
Awkward.
It's pretty awkward. Yeah, I don't know how to. I don't know how to comment on that.
I'm gonna call you Daddy from now on.
Please don't.
That is definitely weird. I take it back.
I'm gonna go.
Oh no, I'm Uncle Charlie.
That's way worse.
That was so bad.
Uncle
Charlie, how many sharps are in a C sharp major scale?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, are you on the talk?
No.
What are you reading?
On the talk? Hold on.
What are you reading?
I was just going through my emails.
Read your emails. It's okay. I'm not doing.
Hold on. How do I say?
I'm not doing it. I guess go to my page or something. I'm not doing it.
Such a grandma.
Me too.
You're Daddy and I'm a grandma.
Don't, Jamie. I hate when you say that. I hate that so much.
Wait, what?
No, Jamie, don't say that. Ew.
Daddy.
Oh wow, the chair looks really comfy on this thing.
Oh my God.
It photographs